Hello, what's going on? It's back to the basics. I just wanted to speak to you briefly about the giveaway. The giveaway is still going on because I am determined to give this away. This is the Gano. This is the classic Gano. I'm determined to give it away. When you open the package, here's what it looks like. You don't need a coffee maker. You don't need all that. So, why do I want to give this away? The benefits of this, I'm telling you, is absolutely remarkable. Yes, I am a Gano Excel affiliate. I've been one for actually 5 months now. I've also been using the product for 5 months. So, the Ganoderma lucidum, as you can see right there. So that is derived from the reishi mushroom, which is grown in Malaysia. So, well, what does that mean? Well, it's a mushroom that is grown in Malaysia, and the process is all organic. From germination to cultivation to extraction, it's all organic. Shout out to Dr. Liao Soon Singh for his research on the mushroom during the 1980s. And also a special thanks for him even for actually creating the company Gano Excel in 1995. This company has been around for 25 years. This actually is well known in the Latin America community. So a lot of the Gano Excel offices are in Latin America, Nicaragua, El Salvador. I do believe there's one also even in Panama, places like that. And I think even Nicaragua, El Salvador, Guatemala, around those areas. So this is well known in the Latin American community. The benefits are, first of all, a boost in energy, a boost in mood, improved sleep, improved mental clarity, weight loss, also reduction in joint pain, as well as reduction in, blood pressure for those who may be hypertensive or borderline hypertensive. This right here will help you. As far as female and male health, I will say there is a correlation between the Tongkat Ali, which is another product offered in the Excel product line. It is a coffee, and it's Tongkat Ali, and that one has ginseng in it. There is a correlation between Tongkat Ali and testosterone levels, and it is a positive correlation or relationship between Tongkat Ali and, well, the Gano Excel. This, you're going to get 30 sachets, 30 of these, upside down, 30 of these, which usually retail at $27. When you do the math, that comes out to 90 cents per sachet. I am not a salesperson. I'm coming to you from a medical perspective and from personal experience. For those who know me, I don't solicit or sell things. That's never been a strong point of mine, but I will back a product that I know is the truth, and this is the truth. I want to give it away because I want people to experience the benefits that I have experienced while having, tried the product for 5 months. It's real simple. Like this video, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment. Those 5 things are very important. The tentative drawing is now July 20th, 2020. So July 20th, 2020. I do plan on going on vacation here soon. After that, I will do the drawing tentatively July 20th. After I do the drawing, this is why it's important for you to follow the first 5 steps. Like, share, hit the notification bell, subscribe, leave a comment. I will write down the channel name, and then I will do a drawing tentatively July 20th. After that, you have 48 hours to email me. I will pin that in the comments. Email me. Email me. Make sure on the subject line you say, Gano giveaway. Because I look at my email every day, multiple times a day. And I do screen for trolls and spam and all that stuff, just like anybody else. Make sure you put Gano giveaway. Also put the name of the channel in there, and then I'll go back, double check. Also in the comment section, I will be screening for trolls and or disrespectful comments. If you're going to be disrespectful, that will disqualify you from this entry. I don't do that over here. That's not why I'm on YouTube. I'm not on YouTube or any other social media platform for that. Keep the comments respectful. Also, after, you contact me, email me your information. Again, I was hacked on May 17th. I'm not trying to get personal information from you as far as your personal address. I want to get this product away, number 1. And I also want to promote my channel. That's number 2. After that, I will ship this immediately to you. Don't be surprised if I choose the option as far as a signature upon delivery. Again, that's to ensure that I know that the product actually got to its final destination. After whoever the recipient is, after you receive it, email me. Hey, I got the product. Okay, wonderful. Email me. Again, put Gano Excel giveaway in the subject line. After that, I want you to agree, after you use the product, to come on the platform and just talk about the product. It could be negative, it could be positive. I want you to talk about the product, because I want to compare it to my experience. You may have experienced even more benefits than even I did, or vice versa. And again, it's not a requirement that you come on here and show your face. That's not what this is about. You can always call me while I'm live or whatever have you. We can work that out later. But please follow the directions. I do want to give this away because, there are many issues in our community as far as hypertension, heart disease, diabetes, and so many things. And we need to use all the tools that we need to stay, first of all, get and stay healthy. And this is one of them. You don't have to take my word for it. Our minister of wellness, Mr. Nathaniel Jordan, has been beating the pavement for a long time. He's been telling us about our health, and he's even mentioned mushrooms as being a phytonutrient. This right here has 150 antioxidants, meaning oxidation is the process of aging. So 150 antioxidants or anti-aging elements, nutrients in there. It also has 200 phytonutrients, which explains boost in mood, boost in energy, boost in mental clarity. My delayed recall and immediate recall have improved tremendously over just using this product for 5 months. I've experienced weight loss. Even I've experienced, for the women out there, I have experienced a shorter menstrual cycle by 2 days. As far as the men, I have heard testimonies of reduction in joint pain, as well as increased libido. And I've heard that from both men and women, and yes, it is true. I have also tried the Tonkat Ali. Yes, you will perk up, let's just say that. But I want to give this away first. And maybe on down the line, I'll do a giveaway, and it may be the Tonkat Ali. Just saying. Thank you so much for your time. I didn't want to make this too long, but again, let me tell you something. If you have breath in your body and you're watching me right now, you need this product. The world needs Gano Excel. Again, shout out to Dr. Liao Soon Singh, all of the Gano Excel family, all the affiliates out there. I love you. I love you as a sister. The Most High be with you to protect you, lead and guide your footsteps. I'm gone.